Okay, now we'll see some of the questions related to basics. So, assume that you are participating in a race and driving at an average speed of 180 km per hour. What will be the distance covered by you in? So, they have given speed 180 km per hour. For all the questions, speed is same 180 km per hour. So, first question, the time taken is 2 hours. We have to find the distance. So, what is the formula for distance? Already we have seen speed into time. Good. So speed 180, time 2 hours. So 180 into 2, 360 meters or kilometers? Kilometers. Why? Because time given in hours, speed given in kilometer per hour. So obviously distance units will be kilometers. So the second question, 5 hours. Second question, 5 hours. So same formula. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed 180, but time taken for this question is 5. So 180 into 5, 900 kilometers. Then third question, 35 minutes. In previous two sums, they have given the time taken in hours, but in third sum, they have given time taken in minutes. So we have to convert from minute to hour. Why? Because speed given in kilometer per hour, right? So we have to convert the time into hour. For this, what we have to do? Multiple with 60 or divide with 60? Yeah, divide with 60. So 35 by 60. Now distance equal to speed 180 time 35 by 60. 60 180 get cancelled by 3 times. 3 into 35 105 kilometers. Next we'll see second sum. For the same data, what will be the time taken by you to cover? For the same data means in this question also speed 180 km per hour. So we have to find the time taken. They have given distance. So first what is the formula for time taken? Distance by speed. So distance for the first question is 540. Then speed 180. So 0 get cancelled. How many hours? 3 hours. Good. Next second question, 60 kilometers. They have given 60 kilometers. So same formula, time equal to distance by speed. For this question, distance is 60, speed 180. So by cancelling 60 and 180, we are getting 1 by 3. 1 by 3 hard. Always we have to take time in whole number. Like we should not take time in fraction form, right? So we have to convert this into minutes. Hour to minute. So what we have to do? Hour to minute. Multiple with 60 or divide with 60? Good. Multiple with 60. So 30, 60, 20 times. So 20 minutes. ஏன் convert பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா like 1 by 3 hour ஏன் convert பண்றோம் அப்படின்ற டவுட் இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு. Why? Because time வந்து நம்ம fraction formல எப்பவுமே எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Like we are getting answer as fraction form. Okay. So அந்த fraction form வந்து நம்ம convert பண்ணி minutes கொண்டு போறோம். So we are getting time in like whole number கிடைக்குது நமக்கு 20 minutes அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So that's all. Third question also similar to this sum. Third question may we will be getting fraction form. So 15 by 180. So third question same method. Time equal to 15 by 180. 15 180 get cancelled by 12 times. So again we are getting 1 by 12 hour. So fraction formula irukku. So convert this into minutes. So multiple with 60. 12 60 get cancelled by 5 times. So 5 minutes. Fourth question, 800 meters. See carefully. Speed 180 km per hour. Distance given in meters. So we have to convert speed to meter per second. So kilometer per hour to meter per second. For this what we have to do? Multiple with 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. Yeah, multiple with 5 by 18. So we are having speed 180 km per hour. 180 into 5 by 18. 18 180 get cancelled by 10 times. So 10 into 5 50 meter per second. So time equal to distance 800 meters. Speed 50 meter per second. 0 get cancelled. 80 by 5 which is 16. What will be the units? Hours or minutes or seconds? See the units carefully for distance and speed. Distance நமக்கு 800 meters. அதே மாதிரி speed வந்து மீட்டர் per செகண்ட்க்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்போ டைமோட யூனிட்ஸ் என்னவா இருக்கணும்னா செகண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ்ல இருக்கு, ஸ்பீட் வந்து கிலோமீட்டர் பெர் ஹார்ல இருக்கு. அப்போ டைம் என்னவா போடணும்? ஹவர்ஸ். இப்போ இந்த கேஸ்ல டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மீட்டர்ஸ்ல இருக்கு, ஸ்பீட் ஆல்சோ வி ஹவ் கன்வெர்டட் as மீட்டர் per செகண்ட். ஸோ ஆப்வியஸ்லி டைமோட யூனிட் செகண்ட்ஸ்ல தான் வரணும். ஓகே. ஸோ வி ஹவ் டன் வித் செகண்ட் சம். Now we'll move to third sum. Third sum is somewhat different. So Walking at 5 by 7th of your usual speed, you will reach the market 16 minutes late. What is the usual time taken by you to reach the market? So they have given fraction form for speed. For speed, they have given 5 by 7. So speed on time inversely proportional. அப்போ time ஓட fraction form என்னவா இருக்கலாம்? Speed 5 by 7 fraction form they have given in the question. Speed on time inversely proportional. So அப்படி இதோட reciprocal தான் நமக்கு time ஓட fraction form. So which is 7 by 5. So speed 5 by 7, time அப்படியே அதோட reciprocal which is 7 by 5. Now we have to split this 7 by 5 into two parts. 7 by 5 t time. Two parts. One is usual time taken which is t. One is usual time taken which is t. This we have to find. And the other part is extra part. ஒரு part வந்து அவங்க யூஸ்வலா எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுத்துப்பாங்க. அது வந்து யூஸ்வல் பார்ட். அது வந்து நம்ம t ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். And the other one is extra part. எவ்வளவு வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா அவங்க எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க. அதோட fraction form என்ன அப்படின்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எப்படி அப்படின்னா like while cross multiplying we have to get this answer 7 by 5t கிடைக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்க நம்ம fraction form இங்க வந்து extra time எடுத்துக்கணும். எப்படி அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்னா first see the denominator of the time fraction 5. So we'll check with 1 by 5. 1 by 5 t plus t. இது usual time taken, இது extra time taken. இப்போக்கு assume பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சு பார்க்கலாம். Whether we are getting this answer means we have done with extra time. Extra time வந்து 1 by 5 நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். But we are not getting this answer means we have to check with other fraction forms. So first 1 by 5t plus t. So cross multiple பண்ணுங்க. t plus 5t. Denominator 5. So we are getting 6 by 5t. நமக்கு 5 by 7 by 5 தான் வேணும். இங்க வந்து நமக்கு 6 by 5 தான் கிடைக்குது. So இது extra part கிடையாது. 1 by 5 கிடையாது. We'll check with 2 by 5. 2 by 5t plus t. இப்போ cross multiple பண்ணி பாருங்க. We'll be getting 2 plus 5 by 5 which is 7 by 5t. We got this answer. So extra part 2 by 5t and usual part t. புரிஞ்சா? ஒன்னு வந்து confirm. இந்த t வந்து confirm. இந்த t கூட வரப்போறது வந்து நீங்க தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எப்படின்னா ஒண்ணு ட்ரை பண்ணி லைக் இந்த மாதிரி cross multiple பண்ணி இந்த டைமோட fraction form வருதா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு செக் பண்ணி இந்த extra part கண்டுபிடிங்க. So now we got the answer is 2 by 5t. Okay. So now we have to equate two things. One is extra part 2 by 5t equal to extra minutes. How many minutes late? 16 minutes. So 16 minutes. Extra part equal to extra minutes. Okay, that is the concept. Now take this 5 to this RHS. So 2t equal to 16 into 5, 80. Then t equal to 80 by 2 which is 40 minutes. So usual time taken 40 minutes. In the question la வந்து என்ன ஒரு பெரிய task அப்படினா you have to find this extra part. The extra part கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா it will be very easy. Just you have to equate with extra minutes which is already given in the question. Okay. So only one task is you have to find this extra part. Okay. Some people will think this method is difficult. So we'll see one shortcut method for the same sum. Okay. இதே sumக்கு we'll see another method which is very easy. So they have given fraction form, right? Speed equal to 5 by 7 and also they have given extra minutes. Extra time taken which is 16 minutes. So we have one formula to find usual time taken. Like in the question they have asked usual time taken, right? So to find usual time taken, the formula is first take the numerator of the fraction form. So first numerator. நம்ம கண்டிப்பா ஒரு fraction form கொடுத்திருப்பாங்கல்ல, like speed ஓட fraction form கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க questionல. So அதோட numerator எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Multiple with extra time. Questionல அதே மாதிரி extra time கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. எவ்வளவு minutes late, yearly அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So அதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. And denominator should be the difference of both the numerator and denominator. Difference of numerator and denominator. So இப்போ apply பண்ணுங்க. Numerator என்ன இந்த fraction formக்கு 5. Multiple with extra time taken 16 minutes. So 16. Denominator ரெண்டுத்தையும் difference எடுக்கணும். 7க்கு 5க்கு எவ்வளவு difference? 2. So 2. இப்போ 2 16 cancel பண்ணலாம்ல. 2 16 8 times போகும். So 5 into 8 40 minutes. We got the answer. இங்கே 40 minutes, இங்கே 40 minutes தான் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So the very easy method is using this formula, but you have to remember this formula. எப்பயுமே questionல வந்து எங்க இந்த formula use பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா like they'll be giving one fraction and also they'll be giving one extra time. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க situation sumsல வந்து you can use this formula. Next sum. If you ride your scooter at a speed of 20 km per hour from your house, you will reach your college at 9:05 a.m. If you ride at 30 km per hour, then you will reach at 8:55 a.m. Find the distance between your house and college. So here they have given two time taken. One is 8:55 a.m. and the other one is 9:05 a.m. So we'll take this two time as T1 and T2. First, what is the difference of this two time difference? 10 minutes, right? So T1 minus T2 equal to 10 minutes. The difference of two time is 10 minutes. Next, we are going to apply the formula for time. Time formula in distance by speed. So they have given two speeds, right? So S1 and S2. Now we are going to apply the speed 1 and speed 2. So distance by value of speed 1 20 minus d by value of speed 2 30 equal to 10. They have given minutes but speed given in kilometer per hour. So convert this minute to hour. For this conversion, we have to divide with 60. Y means write it in the bracket like minute to hour we are converting. So divide with 60. Next, take LCM for 20 and 30. 20, 30 or LCM. First take LCM. 20, 30. So 2 table 10 times 15 times. Again 2 table 5 times 15 will not go in second table. So take as it is 15. Then see third table 5, 15. So 3 table la 5 போகாது. Take as it is 5. Then 5 times போகும் 15. So இப்போ 5 5 ல இருக்கு. 2 table ல போகாது. 3 table ல போகாது. So take 5 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5 60. So LCM of 20 and 30 is 60. So numerator கூட denominator கூட வந்து நம்ம எதை like 20 கூட எதை multiple பண்ணா நமக்கு வந்து 60 கிடைக்கும். Multiple with 3. So up also we have to multiple with 3. So this side 30 into எந்த number நமக்கு 60 கொடுக்கும் 2. So up also multiple with 2. So 3d minus 2d. Denominator 60 equal to 10 by 60. So numerator became d. 60 equal to 10 by 60. 60 60 get cancel. So the distance will be 10 kilometers. Okay. So yeah, next we'll see another concept next video.